Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you best ways to fix it cannot connect to App Store on iPhone or iPad. First way, open your settings. Next step, select cellular and make sure that your App Store is this toggle enable. Near App Store, just enable this toggle. Second way, check your Wi-Fi. Just select in settings Wi-Fi and disable and enable Wi-Fi connection. Next step, check your connection with internet. When you enable your Wi-Fi connection, then just open any apps, for example Twitch, and make sure that the Twitch app is used internet. Next step, if you use correctly your Wi-Fi connection or cellular data, scroll down in settings and select general. Now scroll down and here you will find transfer or receipt iPhone or iPad. Tap receipt and select receipt network settings. Open settings, then select general, scroll down, and in the bottom we can see shut down, and just shut down your phone, and then enable of course your iPhone or iPad. Next step, make sure that your data and time is correct. Open settings, scroll down, select general, scroll down a little bit and find data and time. Select data and time and make sure that set automatically is enable this toggle. Okay, next step, in settings menu, select general. Make sure that your iPhone or iPad iOS have updated last iOS. Like me, as you can see, I don't have any available update. Next step, you can just sign out from App Store. Just when you open settings, tap on Apple ID, iCloud, Media and Purchases. Then select Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out. Tap Sign Out. Again, tap Media and Purchases. And continue. Just reset this option. And that's it. I think this all top way should work for your iPhone or iPad. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.